t to the power t 3 to the power 1215. Find the value of t. What is the value of t? First we can write this we can write 5 into 200 of 10. This we can write 43. And now 3 to the power. So we can write 5. This 3 to the power is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this value is 81 into 3 to 3. So this is the so can write this is this and this. So t value is 143. Verify this 243 is 243 is equal to 305. This is multiply, we know this. So we multiply this 5 into 3 to the power. So this is proven. So t value is this, right? So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.